Hello children, again I am doing some questions of trigonometrical identity. This time I have taken some different type of questions. Question number 1 is, if tan square alpha is equal to 1 plus 2 tan square beta, then prove that 2 sin square alpha is equal to 1 plus sin square beta. And these two questions are there. So at first let us start from question number 1. It is given tan square alpha LHS tan square alpha is equal to 1 plus 2 tan square beta. We have to prove in terms of sin square alpha and sin square beta. So obviously we have to write this as sin square alpha by cos square alpha and this as sin square beta by cos square beta. So sin square alpha by cos square alpha is equal to 1 plus 2 into sin square beta by cos square beta. Again here it is cos square alpha and cos square beta, but we have to prove in terms of sin square alpha and sin square beta. So convert this into 1 minus sin square alpha. So sin square alpha divided by 1 minus sin square alpha is equal to 1 plus 2 sin square beta by this is 1 minus sin square beta. So then this side sin square alpha by 1 minus sin square alpha is equal to, here this side it is LCM, 1 minus sin square beta. Now divide this by 1. So this will be 1 minus sin square beta into 1. So it will remain 1 minus sin square beta and plus divide this 1 minus sin square beta by 1 minus sin square beta. So it will be 1. So 1 into 2 sin square beta. So it will be here 2 sin square beta. Then it will be sin square alpha by 1 minus sin square alpha is equal to, this is 2 sin square beta minus sin square beta. So it will be 1 plus sin square beta divided by 1 minus sin square beta. Now we have to prove 2 sin square alpha. So here it can be observed that if denominator is added to this numerator, then we will get sin square alpha plus 1 minus sin square alpha. यहाँ पे हम लोग कॉम्पोनेंडो एंड डिविडेंडो अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. कॉम्पोनेंडो एंड डिविडेंडो. ये क्या होता है? इफ इट इज न्यूमरेटर बाय डिनोमिनेटर, देन इट विल बी न्यूमरेटर प्लस डिनोमिनेटर बाय न्यूमरेटर माइनस डिनोमिनेटर. This is known as componendo and dividendo together. So here applying componendo and dividendo. So this becomes sin square alpha plus 1 minus sin square alpha. Numerator, this is denominator, and whole divided by numerator minus denominator. So this is numerator minus denominator is 1 minus sine square alpha. Similarly, right side we can apply 1 plus sine square beta plus 1 minus sine square beta, then numerator minus denominator, so 1 plus sine square beta minus within bracket 1 minus sine square beta. So after this, here minus sine square alpha, this is plus sine square alpha, cancelled. So it is here 1 divided by, open the bracket, sine square alpha minus 1 minus minus plus sine square alpha. This side plus sine square beta minus sine square beta is cancelled. So this side 2 by 1 plus sine square beta minus 1 plus sine square beta, minus 1 minus minus plus, minus minus plus sine square beta. So here it is minus 1 plus 1 cancelled. So finally we get 1 by 2 sine square alpha minus 1 is equal to 2 by sine square beta plus sine square beta, 2 sine square beta. This 2 can be cancelled 1. Now cross multiply. So it means by cross multiplication we get sine square beta into 1, sine square beta 1 into 2 sine square alpha minus 1. So it is 1 plus sine square beta is equal to 2 sine square alpha, or 2 sine square alpha, we can write 2 sine square alpha is equal to 1 plus sine square beta, which is our right hand side. So in this way we can prove this. Note down. Next question we have, show that sine square theta plus sine theta is equal to 2 is not an identity. इस क्वेश्चन को करने के पहले मैं आइडेंटिटी के बारे में बताना चाहता हूँ. Identity, I think all of you know it. Already you have done algebraic identity in class 8. So a plus b whole square, it is a standard identity. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Why it is an identity? Because for every value of a and b on LHS is equal to RHS. For every value of a and b, we can check it by putting the value. If a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2, so 1 plus 2, this is 3, 3a square, 9, LHS is 9. Put the value of a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 2 in RHS. So RHS 1 square plus 2 into 1 into 2, this is 2 plus 2 square. So 1 square is 1, 2 into 1 into 2, 4, 2 square is 4, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. So LHS is equal to RHS. So this is an identity. Similarly, in case of trigonometrical identity, for every value of theta, for every value of theta, LHS should be equal to RHS. So we have to show that sin square theta plus sin theta is equal to 2 is not an identity. So start from LHS. Let theta is equal to 30 degree. अपने मन से हम लोग वैल्यू स्टार्ट करेंगे 0, 30, 45, 60. I have taken theta is equal to 30 degree. So LHS sin square 30 plus sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. LCM is 4. It is 1. So 4 is divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. So it is 3 by 4. Not equal to 2. So LHS is not equal to RHS. So sin square theta plus sin theta is equal to 2 is not an identity. Note down. Next question we have. So that cot theta plus cos theta divided by cot theta minus cos theta is equal to 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta is an identity. Now this time again we will start from theta is equal to, suppose theta is equal to 0 degree or theta is equal to 30 degree. So cot 30 plus cos 30 by cot 30 minus cos 30. So cot 30, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So cot 30 is root 3 plus cos 30 is same as sin 60, root 3 by 2. And here root 3 minus root 3 by 2. So we get LCM 2 root 3 plus root 3. Again here LCM is 2. So it is 2 root 3, 2 to cancel. So 2 root 3 plus root 3, 3 root 3. And 2 root 3 minus root 3 is root 3. Root 3 is cancelled by root 3. So RHS is 3. Now put the value of theta is equal to 30 degree in RHS. One plus sin 30 by 1 minus sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2. So it is 1 by 2 and this is 2 minus 1 by 2. So this is 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. So 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. 2 1s are 2 is equal to 3. So LHS, the value of LHS is 3 and the value of RHS is also 3. So cot theta plus cos theta divided by cot theta minus cos theta is equal to 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta is an identity. Note down. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो सब्सक्राइब करें and don't forget to share it also. Thank you.